On behalf of Rackspace, CompTIA, and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused around modernization of cloud and cyber posture with secure multi-cloud as a service, where Lorenzo Winfrey, Senior Product Manager at Rackspace Technology, Phil Fuster, Senior Director at Rackspace Technology, and James Stenger, Chief Technology Evangelist at CompTIA, will discuss how secure multi-cloud as a service solutions provide the necessary tools to comprehensively address cloud security across multiple technologies and help agencies craft the right strategy to support the mission.
My name is Leslie Rogers, and I am the Public Sector Marketing Manager at Rackspace Technology, and I will be moderating today's discussion. Let me introduce you to our panel. With us today, we have Dr. James Stenger, one of the grooviest chief technology evangelists in the industry, who has consulted for over 20 years with governments, corporations, and learning institutions worldwide about IT security, open source, network architecting and administration, risk management, and more. It's a mouthful. Just a few small gigs like the State Department, the Army, General Dynamics, Northrop Grumman, and Dell. But seriously, though, he's a global authority around the world and is using his expertise to help IT professionals, hiring managers, and executives worldwide to identify critical skills and help build CompTIA's education programs. And most importantly, he is helping provide programs that help the government workforce learn and advance their skills to meet the needs of the rapidly changing IT landscape and better serve the mission. And we can't say enough how important that is. He's also published dozens of articles, books, and blogs, and his books have been translated into a dozen languages. So whatever language you speak, you can check out his books. And I'm going to take a chance on a German one and brush up on my German here.
That's a good idea.
And right. And then we have Lorenzo Winfrey. He is a 13-year Defense Intelligence Agency veteran, an AWS community builder, and currently the coolest senior product manager for Rackspace Government Solutions. And he has the amazing talent of making a product discussion totally not boring. At DIA, he led the cloud broker team comprised of 30 personnel responsible for setting project priorities, program management, and managing commitment of sponsors, stakeholders, and resources in the successful migration of 50 software applications to the AWS cloud over a 2-year period. And his team's work represented impressive 222% growth in DIA's cloud footprint. He improved application performance and availability across the enterprise. So basically, he's been in the shoes of every government cloud and security stakeholder. And then last but certainly not least, we have Phil Fuster. He's the Senior Director for Public Sector at Rackspace Technology, as well as a master chef whose food photographs of his creations make his hundreds of Facebook followers salivate with hunger and green with envy. Most importantly, myself, because I love to cook. But Phil manages the sales, marketing, and business development across federal, state, local, higher education, and federal systems integrator market at Rackspace Technology. Phil has spent the last 35 years in the public sector technology industry, and he has been a part of giants like Dell, Computer Sciences Corporation, and Next Computer, as well as having founded Fedbid.com and the International Data Products Corp. Phil has served on the Maryland Technology Council and co-chaired the MTC Cybersecurity Conference. So as you can see, we have an amazing panel for you today. So I'll go ahead and start with a quick recap of why we're all here today. Agencies at all levels are under pressure to evolve their cybersecurity posture from passive to a more active strategy. And to accomplish that, they must modernize from static on-prem physical IT to a multi-cloud strategy, taking advantage of the power that public and private cloud provide. But multi-cloud modernization does come with complexities, as we all know, from budgets to workforce to security requirements. For example, while cloud vendors secure 15% of the cloud infrastructure perimeter, which is the physical layer, it's the remaining 85% of security in the cloud, including critical data, applications, and workloads. That's the biggest challenge and worry for agencies. So how can agencies simplify the complexities of multi-cloud modernization? Let's get to the questions with our incredible panel and find out.